So it went from a small to a big number. So we're going to multiply the scale factor, but we need to figure out the number. So what we're going to do here is do 120 divided by 4 to get this answer. If you already know, 4 goes into 12 3 times, but just for writing purposes, and you just add the 0 at the end. 4 times 3 is 12, so 4 times 30 is 120. So I'm going to multiply this by 30. Let me just make this color. All right. Then all we do